Alright guys, there's date and time on a Garmin Furnace 620. And right now we are currently standing inside Northwest Electrical Supply in Mt Prospect, Illinois. Basically it's just like a lighting store. We got all these really crazy and cool lamps here. Look at this, guys. Isn't that cool or what? But the main focus of this video is this elevator they have here. It's a Dover Impulse.
As opposed to this one, which is it'll put light everywhere.
It's 4 directional pods to read. And here's the elevator. Oh wow, this thing's huge. So now let's head down to the basement. So here at the basement, I believe, okay, it opens up here, which is basically just like a storage room. So let's go up to 2 and 2R. Ring the bell. Wash indicator. Too. There's the R level opens up too. Looks like there's a warehouse. And there's the front side. It's just more. There's just a display room pretty much. Now we got a cab view. It's a really big elevator for a store / warehouse. Because apparently this building serves both of those purposes. Assigned to social distance. And here back down at the basement. Now we'll go up to 1 and 1R. So here's your indicator, certificate of inspection, firefighter controls, instructions from Abell to read. Here's your COP, and here's your phone. There's your 1R opens up into. Let's ring the bell. Now we're in the up chime. Let's just close up. There it goes.
It's a medium base. Yeah, it's a medium base.
And that's it.